Hey guys, today we are going to be making the coal scuttle. So you're going to need some glue, tape, a roller, a pencil, and scissors. So I'm going to be using a 4-inch square. So you can use a piece of scrap paper where you cut out a larger square. That was really crooked. See, my line is like, woo! Slightly better. We all make mistakes. Whatever. All right. Four-inch square. We're going to do the same thing that we always do, that we did in figure 1 and 2. We're going to fold this into 16 even. Come on. I think I made a mistake. Oh, there we go. Maybe I should be working with a lighter weight of paper. All right. Now I have my 16 squares, and I'm going to be labeling it as before, A through P. You never knew that paper story would also teach your 6-year-old handwriting as you're doing it. All right, so now we are going to cut off A through M. And we are also going to cut off N, O, and P. All right, D and L, we are going to curve. So I like to draw little lines. So we're just going to curve those up and cut those. All right, so now to fold up the coal scuttle, we're going to cut lines from B down and F, between F and J. So now we're going to fold and paste B and J over F. I actually was able to find the glue in my daughter's room, and it's almost all used up. I don't know if you guys watched my previous video where I talked about what she did with the glue, but now I have glue. I can show you what glue is used for. This is the coal scuttle part. Now we're going to take our E, I, and A, and we're going to cut off M, and we're going to make the handle for our coal scuttle just out of part of E and I and A. So I cut off this part right here, then I'm going to paste this inside here, like that. Then we're going to take, let's see, N, O, and P. Here's N, O, and P. And we're going to make the bottom of this coal scuttle so that it has a little bit of a tilt to it. So, draw a line down O in the center here. And then you're going to do diagonal lines to N and P. Not all the way to the edge though. So now you're going to cut off this part here. Then you're going to fold this up right here. So we're going to fold here. And then cut between N and O and P, just on this little part that you folded right here. See that? And then you're going to fold it like this and paste it. So you want glue right here and right here. You're going to fold that part. And this creates a little base, which we're going to put on the coal scuttle. Let's see, like this. So after you've got that on, Elmer's glue is, I don't like it. Let's see, so it goes with this part to the back. So then we're going to paste it on like this. The tiny little coal scuttle miniature model.